Let's draw a velocity time graph for this question. So it's question 2. So we're starting off at the first station. I'm accelerating uniformly, which means this needs to be a straight line, constant acceleration, till I get to a speed of 24 meters per second. And that takes 75 seconds. Then I'm traveling at a constant speed for time t. So I don't know how long that is, but if this is time t and we're at 75, this is going to be t plus 75. And then I decelerate into the station. Now, it wants us to find the deceleration rate, and the information it gives us is that it decelerates for the final 0.6 kilometers. So first of all, that's 600 meters. We need to be in meters. Second of all, the distance that you travel is the area under that bit of graph. So this bit here has an area of 600, and we can use that to find the time, and then we can find the deceleration. So into part B then, which is finding this deceleration. Part A was drawing it. Then the area of a triangle is a half times base, which we don't know. I'm trying to find that time, times the height, which is 24. And that's got to come to 600. So B times half of 24 is 12, is 600. So B is 50. So that length there is 50 meters per second. We now need to find the deceleration, so that's going to be change in velocity over time. So the change in velocity is 24 meters per second, and the time is 50. So I think it's 4.8. No, 0.48, but let's just double check. Yes, 0.48 meters per second, and it's deceleration, so I don't need a minus. Okay, so the time t that this is at a constant speed for, we can work out because we're told that the two stations are 7.5 kilometers apart. 7.5 kilometers is 7,500 meters. So what we're going to do is say that the total area underneath here, that'll be the total distance covered, is 7,500. So the total distance will be the area underneath this, which is a trapezium. So we're going to do half times the top and the bottom are added together. Now that length there was t, so that's the top. The bottom is 75 and t and 50, so that's t plus 125. And that needs to be multiplied by the height, which is 24. So 7,500, half of 24 is 12. 2t plus 125. Going to do 7,500 divided by 12. Let me get that so you can see it. 625. Then I'm going to take 125 and I'm going to divide by 2. So t is 250 seconds. And then it wanted t, so that's that done. And then total time for the whole journey is going to be 75 plus 250 plus 50. So that's 375. And it was time, so seconds.